What is an earnest money deposit? An earnest money deposit is some amount of money of the overall sales price that the buyer is going to be placing into an escrow account when they go under contract to purchase a home. In Northern Virginia, typically between 1% to 3%, but I've seen all ranges. So let's use an example. Let's say that I was going to buy a $200,000 condo. My earnest money deposit would probably be in the neighborhood of $6,000 to $10,000, although this is a point of negotiation. Let's say I put $10,000 down. That money is going to go to the escrow company. In this case, I might pick a really nice title company, and then from there, that money would be held by that third party in order to keep me honest, more or less, to the contract. If I was to breach the contract at any point before settlement, what I would expect to have happen is that the earnest money deposit would then be delivered to the seller to kind of compensate them for the fact that I did not follow through on my end of the bargain. Now, assuming that I make it all the way to settlement without any problems, then on settlement day, that money can be credited towards my purchase of the home. And there you have it. It's important to remember that this is not a down payment, which we can talk about next time. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.